honey, rosemary, black pepper, polenta. So we're gonna make 1.5 cups of polenta, which would be 6 to 8 portions. I've got 5 cups of liquid on the stove, coming warm. Vegetable or chicken stock, 3 cups of that, and 2 cups of whole milk. If you're making 1 cup of polenta for 3 or 4 people, you just multiply by 3. 1 cup, 3 cups of liquid. I up it a little bit when I go to 1.5 cups. I start with 5. Now, if the polenta gets too thick for you, you can always add a little more stock or water. It's no big deal, but you want to keep it pourable. Coarse polenta, there is quick cooking. It cooks in just 3 minutes. That's much finer than this, okay? Coarse traditional polenta takes about 25 to 30 minutes cooking at a low, slow heat once your liquids come up to heat. So when the liquids get hot and just start to foam like this, that's when we're going to sprinkle in our polenta. And we're going to stir this fairly frequently, but not every second. We're going to whisk it in initially and then stir it every few minutes for 25 to 30 minutes as it masses, grows in size, and softens in texture. We're going to add all of our rosemary, a little salt, and our coarse pepper. Boop! About a tablespoon of coarse pepper, 2.5 tablespoons of chopped rosemary. And again, we'll just stir that every once in a while and keep it just cooking gently, very gently for about 30 minutes. You see as it thickens up now, we're getting into about 15 to 20 minutes here. As it thickens up, it can like bubble up and splatter you. Just be careful when you go near it. This is exactly the consistency you want. See there? Horrible. Beautiful. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter cut into tiny pieces to our rosemary, black pepper, stock, and whole milk polenta. We're going to add a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. To finish the polenta, a fat drizzle of Italian honey.